right, welcome to the Decentralized Daily Podcast, where you get your daily dose of cryptocurrency news and information. The crypto news that matters to you. Nothing on this program should be confused with investment advice, because we don't give you any. It's not that kind of show, guys. Just the facts here, just the facts. So sit back, relax, gather your thoughts, and prepare yourself for today's market movers in cryptocurrency. All right, guys. Welcome back to another edition of Decentralized Daily. Today is Friday, the 16th of February. It is 8:21 in the p.m. And Bitcoin is up 1.43%, coming in first by market cap on CoinMarketCap.com. Number 2, Ethereum at $956. It's up 1.31%. Number 3, the centralized currency Ripple, $1.15. It is up 0.05%. Bcash, or Bitcoin Cash, is up 5.77% on the day to a total of $1,555.90. And coming in number 5, beating back out Cardano, is Litecoin. With our big jump over the week, it's up 5.84%, and it is sitting at $232.94. So really picking up a lot of those gains that were lost over the course of the big dip. Let's get into the news of the day. An anonymous trader buys $400 million in Bitcoin. $400 million in Bitcoin. This is from MarketWatch.com. It was posted today at 3:31 p.m. It says, "Go big or go home." That's the motto of one mysterious investor who put his chips on the table, buying close to 400 million of the digital currency Bitcoin. The purchase comes as cryptocurrencies are making a comeback after a dreadful start in 2018. Major digital currencies lost as much as 50% to start the year as growing regulation and security fears crippled the market. Seeing traders bail on these positions, however, the tide has turned. So the price of Bitcoin is up 3.21% as of the time of this article has been written on the day, and it's increased more than 60% since trading under the $6,000 bottom in February the 6th, pushing back above $10,000 today. The transaction, which was blasted all over social media and online chat forums, emboldened bulls who had argued that 6,000 was a bottom. In the meantime, the $400 million whale is fuel for the Telegram channels where the traders lay out their conspiracy theories. However, I'm willing to believe that seeing Bitcoin around the bottom of 6,000, Wall Street smelled blood and jumped back in. That was Jeff Cohen, president of 360 Blockchain USA. Let's take a look at the comments here at the bottom of this Market Watch article. William Gates, I'm sure that's his real name, says the Russians set the prices. If you don't like it, then sue the Russian government. Good luck trying to win in Russian court. Sandy Bottom, it's a beachgoer. Anonymous trader sells $100 million of Bitcoin. William Gates again. It is market manipulation by a corrupt government, which he indicated above was Russia. It is you against hundreds of government-backed hackers who want to steal your wealth. Who will end up with all the money, you or them? Well, what a provocative question, William. Hopefully it's you. If you bought $400 million in gold in 1970, this is from Darren Stone, and did nothing else, today you would be ranked in the top 100 billionaires in the world at $13.5 billion. And it'd be all yours. It wouldn't be wrapped in corporations, and it would just be liquid. That'd probably put you at the top of the billionaires, really. Tax-free, by the way, just like Bitcoin until you sell it. Depends on where you sell it. Did you take into account inflation? Rusty Slade, again, these names are ridiculous, says the big whales in a small pond can capsize boats. Well, we'll see how that turns out. Here's an article from CoinDesk.com. As Bitcoin soars, so do Coinbase customers' complaints. It goes on to say, It was around midnight, January the 31st, when Kay received an email from Coinbase containing a 1099 tax form. That was strange enough. Kay certainly didn't expect a cryptocurrency exchange to be a conduit for government documents. Then Kay looked at how much Coinbase said he owed money on, $2.4 million. I initially freaked out considering I probably put in a max of $8,000 into Coinbase and somehow I was liable for millions, Kay said in an online chat with CoinDesk. The next business day, Kay called CoinDesk customer support only to have a representative tell him he couldn't answer his question in detail on the phone and to email the company instead. Ugh. When he did, only to get a formulaic response showing the IRS guidance to Coinbase. To this day, Kay says he has no idea where the $2.4 million figure came from. He said he is too busy to jump through any more hoops with the largest exchange in the U.S. and feels safe in the knowledge that he doesn't have to pay taxes on $2.4 million in earnings since they don't exist. Here we go. All right, coming in at number 3. This one's from CNET Central. How to stop websites from using your computer to mine Bitcoin and more. So some websites apparently may use your computer to mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Monero. Here's how to stop them. Mining cryptocurrencies is a great way to earn small amounts of residual income that could possibly be worth much more in the future. This is becoming an alternative source of revenue for websites and some people with nefarious intentions. Salon.com, for example, is giving readers the option to opt out of advertisements in exchange for letting the site use their CPUs to mine Monero, a cryptocurrency that's easier to mine than Bitcoin and has a current market cap of $4.6 billion. Of course, there's room for a legitimate way to earn money. Corruption will soon follow. Anti-malware software firm Malwarebytes and IC security company ESET both warned of sneaky uses of JavaScript files that use the CPU of visitors to mine cryptocurrencies without their knowledge or explicit permission. This can come in the form of malicious software that is installed on a user's computer and undetected. If you're not sure how to determine if your computer is being used to mine Bitcoins without your knowledge, make sure to read this article, again on cnet.com, on detecting coin mining. And if it is, how can you put a stop to it? Well, here's 4 ways. I'm not going to go into all 4 ways. Go read them on the website. I'll give you the titles on them. So, how to stop mining from coins with your CPU. Disable JavaScript on specific sites. Install coin mining blockers. So there's an example. So for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, there's no coin. You can do miner block, anti-miner, and coin hive blocker. All softwares to block coin miners. You can build Java apps your way on Azure. That is an ad. You can put in anti-malware software. While browsers haven't yet adopted to blocking cryptocurrency miners, or at least making them an opt-in option, some anti-malware software has. Malwarebytes, for example, offers cryptocurrency miner blocking in its premium subscription. You had it. That's the news today, Friday the 16th. Today, we appreciate you guys coming in. Check us out at D-Talk Podcast. And we're looking forward to seeing you guys in the future. We got a great big podcast coming up on Tuesday. We had an interview with the Watchman Review, and we are excited to tell you about AI and cryptocurrency. Thank you guys again, as always, for showing up. Same bat time, same bat channel. Give us a subscribe, give us a like. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon. With Ivan from the Watchman Review here on the big show. We're going to be recording and taping that interview this week, so get ready for that. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence, and where is that going? What is it doing? It's a great resource in the space, so look forward to that, guys. It's coming up. It'll be out next Sunday. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll talk to you again next time.